guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm very excited for today's video because today I'm gonna try doing keratin treatment on my hair at home for the first time ever. So keep watching. So this is how my natural hair looks like, curly, frizzy and very messy. They get really difficult to manage when they're not heat styled, and I kind of like curly hair and I don't want my hair to be perfectly straight, but at the same time I also want something that's a little more tamed, relaxed and manageable. And I've thought about going for a keratin smoothing treatment a lot of times, but I wasn't really sure. But recently this brand called Nutree Professional sent me one of their Brazilian keratin kit, and I thought why not give it a try. So here I am finally going to do a keratin treatment on my hair for the first time ever, and that too on my own. So really excited to see how it turns out. There are a lot of keratin kits available in the market and online these days, but the product that I'm going to be using today is this Amazon List by Nutree Professionals. The box says extremely smooth effect hair in the first application. With Amazon List, you will get 100% smooth effect, magnificent and healthy hair has never been easier. Its extraordinary formula is the perfect communion between the majestic antioxidant power of the acai berry and the intense discipline of cocoa to provide maximum reduction of volume of the hair and quality so superior that impresses even the most skeptical professionals. Fall in love with your new amazing smooth hair with Amazon List. Wow, I hope everything written on this box turns out to be 100% correct and I'm able to achieve some great results on my hair. The box also says for professional use only, although they advertise it for home use as well, so we'll see about that. Now opening the box, it has 3 bottles of 60 ml each. The first one being anti-residue shampoo, the second is Brazilian smoothing treatment, and then we have intensive repair mask. We also have a step-by-step guide to use this product, and the first step says wash the hair with anti-residue shampoo, massaging into a lather, leave for 5 minutes, rinse, repeat the operation for virgin hair or resistant hair. So I'm gonna just go wash my hair with this first bottle and get right back. Okay, so I am back after washing my hair with the anti-residue shampoo. I rinsed and repeated 3 times because I wanted to make sure that all the oils and buildup is completely out of my hair before I go in with the treatment. Also make sure to not use any conditioner after using this shampoo, or else the treatment won't work properly. And this shampoo is going to act as your conditioner. So it's been a little while and my hair are almost air dried, and let's get on to the second step. So the second step says use a hair dryer and hands to dry hair to about 85% dry. So my hair are right now almost 60% dry. So here is my dryer, and I'm gonna quickly rough dry my hair to about 85% dry. Alright, so I have dried my hair to about 85%, so they are a little bit damp but not too much. And now step number 3 is section the hair into 6 equal parts with hair clips. So I'm going to use this kit that I recently ordered from Amazon. It has a fine tooth comb with 6 hair clips. So here is the comb, and I'm going to use this pointy tail of the comb to section my hair into 6 equal parts and then clip them separately. So I'm first going to divide my hair into half, starting from the center till the back. So I have my hair divided into half, and now I'm going to split both these sections into 3 parts each. Okay, now that I've divided my hair into 6 equal parts, it says apply the Brazilian smoothing treatment in one section starting from the base of head. Open the section in half and apply the product on the upper and lower parts of the section. Use a fine tooth comb to comb through the entire section from the roots to the ends, making sure the whole length of hair is covered by the product. Do not oversaturate. Okay, this looks a little tricky, so I'm supposed to apply this Brazilian smoothing treatment, that's bottle number 2, on all the sections of my hair. It's also written on the bottle to use only with adequate ventilation and air circulation. So I'm quickly going to open all the windows of the room, and I'm also wearing a t-shirt that I wouldn't mind getting ruined because it's a chemical treatment, so you never know. And they've also provided these plastic gloves inside the box, so I'm going to wear these as well. Okay, so I'm going to use this brush to apply the product on my hair and the same fine tooth comb to spread it through the entire sections. I just hope this product is enough to cover my entire head, but we don't have to oversaturate, so I hope it works out. So now I'm gonna put this product in this bowl and yeah, let's do it. Alright, so I'm gonna put a little product on this brush and we're gonna work on this section first. So I'm all set with my gloves, and now I'm going to take a little product on this brush and apply it to my hair. I'm trying to spread it as evenly as possible, making sure that each hair is completely coated with the treatment. Oh, it really stings in the eye, guys, so make sure that the windows of the room are open. Okay, so we are almost done with this first section, and now I'm going to do this to my entire hair. It's going to take some time, so I'm going to put it on fast forward. Guys, it really stings in the eye. I just hope it's worth it. Okay, so it took me almost half an hour to do all my hair. I made sure to coat all the hair from the roots till the end completely and ended up using almost the entire bottle, and it burned my eyes a lot. I think it totally depends from person to person. My eyes are a little more sensitive, so it was real bad for me, but I hope everything is worth it in the end. So now let's get on to the next instruction. With the hair dryer set to cold air, dry the 2 sections completely without brushing. Repeat on all sides of this section. So now I'm gonna put my dryer on the cold air setting, and we're going to dry my hair completely without using a brush. So my hair is completely dry now. Right now they are in their natural texture, very curly, and let's see what the next step says. Divide the hair into 4 parts and then flat iron the hair from 8 to 10 times from root to the middle of the strands and from 4 to 6 times onto the ends. The flat iron temperature should range between 380 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, using lower temperatures for hair that is more damaged. So here I have my flat iron ready. I've set it to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to section my hair and straighten them completely. Okay, so I've finished straightening my hair. I had to run the flat iron multiple times to make sure that the hair is completely straight. And now we're going to go ahead and read the next steps. So the next steps are: rinse the hair, apply the intensive repair mask and work it through the hair. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes, rinse again. So I'm going to go do all this and get right back. Okay guys, so I rinsed my hair, then applied intensive repair mask. That's bottle number 3, rinsed again, and my hair feels so healthy already. They feel so soft. And now as the last step, I just need to blow dry the hair, and then we'll finally get to see the results. So I have my blow dryer ready, and I'm gonna blow dry my hair using just my fingers. So guys, this is the final result. This is how my hair looks like after the keratin treatment, and I'm extremely happy with the result. My hair feels very soft, very smooth, very silky now. I wouldn't say it has made my hair completely straight, but considering what my hair were before the treatment, they were extremely curly. My hair have become kind of wavy right now, but I'm loving the fact that they are very smooth and very manageable, and the frizz is completely gone. So I think if you have wavy to less curly hair, you would get straighter results, but for me, I am just happy with this. I have blow dried my hair just using my fingers. I haven't used any brush, and you can clearly see the difference between how my hair looked like when I blow dried it before the treatment and how they look now. So yeah, I would definitely recommend you guys to try this out at least once. It is very easy to do at home. Plus, it's gonna save you a lot of money as compared to getting it done professionally at the salon. Also, the box says that it creates smooth and silky hair for up to 4 months. So I just hope it does what it says. Well, it surely has so far. So yeah, this was my keratin treatment experience at home that I did for the first time ever. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. Please share and give a thumbs up if you did. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already by hitting that red subscribe button down below, or by clicking on my picture in the small circle over here. And hit the bell notification button to get notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah, that was all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.